In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop email tracking in Gmail. This is a crucial step if you want to maintain your privacy and prevent senders from knowing when you open their emails. Let's dive in. Firstly, what is email tracking? Basically, senders can track when and if you've opened their email, and sometimes even where you are when you do it. This is generally done using invisible pixels embedded in the emails. Creepy, right? But don't worry, you can block these tracking attempts with some simple adjustments in your Gmail settings. Start by opening up your Gmail account. This is where it all begins. Once you're in Gmail, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is the settings icon. Click on it. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select See All Settings. It might be tempting to click around on other things, but stay focused on this path we're on. After selecting See All Settings, you'll be directed to a full settings page. There will be several tabs across the top. Look for the tab labeled General and make sure you're on that page. Now, scroll down slowly until you find the section that's listed as Images. This is our area of interest. Within the Images section, you'll come across a couple of options. The first one will allow external images to be displayed, while the second one will inquire before displaying them. What you want to do is select the option that says, Ask before displaying external images. This ensures that you have control over when images appear in your emails, which effectively blocks those pesky tracking pixels from being automatically loaded. Once you've made that selection, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Pay attention because this step is crucial. You'll find a button labeled Save Changes. Click on it to ensure that your new settings are applied. It might seem straightforward, but forgetting to save will mean all your efforts have gone to waste. Now, whenever you receive an email that includes tracking pixels, Gmail will require your permission to display any external images, allowing you to block unwanted tracking. This adjustment will help keep your email activity private and secure. Remember, although simple changes such as these can significantly enhance your privacy, always be vigilant about what you open and click on in your emails. Now, you're all set to enjoy a more private emailing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful.